Hmm.
Yes, good morning one and all. So yesterday video we have seen an example based on joint probability distribution. Similarly, one more example here. So same example here I am taking, but thing is only one question is extra. So you see what is that one, right? So statement is the joint probability distribution table for two random variables x and y is as follows. Here we have x, then y. We have x having two random variables, y having four random variables. And also we have here joint probabilities. So 0.1, 0.2, nothing but this is J11, J12, J13 and J14. Here. So joint probability at nothing but I equal to J123 like this. So J21, J22, J23 and J24. Right. So our question is, so using this random variables distribution, right, this data, determine the marginal distribution of x and y. Marginal distribution of x and y, nothing but marginal distribution is nothing but f of xi and g of yj. We need to find the f of xi and g of yj of x. Also compute, after computing the marginal distribution, so we need to compute, so we have done yesterday, expectation of x, y and xy, nothing but, so we need to find here e of x, e of y and e of xy. So we need to find these values, right? E of x, e of y, e of xy. Then the second one, compute the standard deviations of x and y, nothing but delta x and delta y, delta x and delta y. Next C1 is covariance of x and y, nothing but COV of xy. Then D is correlation of x and y, nothing but it is rho x comma y, right? These we need to find the values. Further, one more question is further verify that x and y are dependent random variables. We have to verify the x and y are the dependent variables, right? Also find p of x plus y is greater than 0. Nothing but we need to find probability of x plus y. Only this one is extra question. Remaining is as it is before example. Indian madadilla ade example na previous video. I example nodri. So you get the same procedure up to this, up to D. So next is some extra, but this also very simple. So you will see here. Now solution of this example is the marginal. First question is we need to determine the marginal distribution function. So the marginal distribution of x and y are here. So here this is only for x. Adding all the respective rows entries. These are the rows entries. Given data, so we need to find the marginal distribution, nothing but f of x1 and f of x2 or f of xi. Right? Here I am written adding all the respective rows entries. So this row, so 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0 plus 0.3 equal to 3. So 3 is 6.6. This is f of x1. Similarly, respective rows again, second row, so 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.4. Right? So this is f of x1, this is f of x2. Similarly, column wise, adding all the respective column entries, right? 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3, 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1, 0.3 plus 0 is 0.3. So this is g of y1, g of y2, g of y3 and g of y4. So these two tables as called as a marginal distribution. Then next question is expectation of x, y, x into y. Now first expectation of x, nothing but mu x, right? Mu x, nothing but average, mean value of x. Summation I into xi f of xi. If you expand this summation, so x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2 equal to x1 is this, x1 is 1. What is f? Or you can take x1 is 1, same will never be. x1 is, this is x1, so this is x2. Now this is f of x1, and this is f of x2. So 1 into 0.6 plus 2 into 0.4. So after simplifying this one, so expectation of x equal to or mu of x equal to 1.4. Similarly, expectation of y. So using this table, y table. So expectation of y is summation over j yj g yj equal to y1 g of y1 plus y2 g of y2 plus y3 g of y3 plus y4 into g of y4. We have up to y4, y1, y2, y3, y4. G of y1, g of y2, g of y3, g of y4. All values done. After substituting those values, now expectation of y is or mu y equal to 1. Mu y equals to 1. Then expectation of x into y is, you know the expression, summation ij xi yj jij. Here I is ranging from 1 and 2 and j is ranging from 1 to 3 4, right? Because x value we have only 2, y value having 4 values, that's why I am taking j is 1 2 3 4. So split this summation. After splitting this summation, so you get this expression, x1 y1 j11 plus x2 y2 j12 plus x1 y3 j13 plus x1 y4 j14 plus next x2 j equal to I equal to 2, x2 y1 j21 plus x2 y2 j22 plus x2 y3 j23 plus x2 y4 j24. After splitting this summation, you get this expression. You have every values, x1 have, x2 have, then x y1, y2, y3, y4, j11, j12, j13, j21, j22, j23 and j24, j14. Here we have these values. This is nothing but j11, j12, j13, j14, like this, 21, 22, 23 and 24. J. Right? All values after substituting here, expectation of x and y is 0.9. Same thing. Yesterday we have followed whatever followed example, same thing we have followed here also. Then B question is standard deviation of xy. So delta x, we have expression is delta x square equal to expectation of x square minus mu x square. So we need to find this value, right? But we know that only expectation of x. We don't have expectation of x square. Now we will find this implies expectation of x square equal to, we have another expression, summation I over I x I square f of xi. So if you splitting this one, you will get a x1 square into f of x1 plus x2 square into f of x2. Now we have x1 x2. We have value of x1 x1. 1 square into this plus 2 square into this. So after adding this 2.2. So expectation is this one. Delta x square is 2. This is only. Expectation of x square is 2.2. Then after splitting here 2.2 minus mu x. Nothing but expectation of x. This is 1.4. So 1.4 whole square is after simplifying this one. So 0.24. Now we have a this rho x square. We have standard deviation x square. So after taking square root of here, so delta x is 0.49. Delta x is 0.49. Similarly, another expression, standard deviation, delta y square, same thing. Expectation of y square minus mu y square. This implies expectation of y square is this expression. Now splitting this, so value is 10.6. Right? Same follows this way. So 10.6 minus, so this is 1 square, right? 1 square is 1. So here 9.6. After subtracting here 9.6. So taking square root of this, so delta y is 3.1. Then C, covariance of x and y. Covariance of x and y equal to expectation of x into y minus expectation of x into expectation of y. We know this value and these two values. Now expectation of x into y is 0.9. Expectation of x is 1.4. Expectation of y is 1. After subtracting here, then value is minus 0.5. So covariance of xy is minus 0.5. Then D1 is correlation of x and y. Correlation of x and y is, we have this expression, covariance of xy divided by standard deviation delta x and delta y equal to this value is here minus 0.5. So delta x is 0.49. So delta y is 3.1. So after simplifying here, correlation of x and y is minus 0.3. Another question. So next question is, further verify that x and y are dependent variable. X and y are the dependent variable. If x and y are independent random variables, we know the expression must have f of xi into g of yj equal to jij. This should be satisfied. When it is, if it is this x and y are the independent variable, x and y random variable are the independent variable, then this condition should be satisfied. Now you check this one. It can be seen that f of x1 into g of y1 equal to j1. So we know f of x1, we have value g of y1 equal to j1 also we know. So f of x1 is, look at table, is 0.6. G of y1 is also 0.3. So equal to, you multiply with these two, 0.18. But we have value j11 is 0.1. In the given table, first value j11 is 0.1. So 0.18 is not equal to 0.1. So this is not equal to this expression. So similarly for others also the condition is not satisfied. We can look at other expressions like this. F of x2 into g of y2 equal to j, or you can multiply f of x1 into g of y2, nothing but j12. You should be satisfied this. You can check all values. So that is not satisfy all values. Hence we conclude that if it is not satisfy this expression, so given x and y are the dependent variables. Hence we conclude that x and y are dependent random variables. Why? Because this condition not satisfied. That's why, so given x and y are the dependent variables. Now we have proved, here we have verified the x and y are the dependent random variables. Another question, probability of x plus y is greater than 0. We need to find the probability of x plus y is greater than 0. Now we look at it. Now we have a data. So x random variable is x1, x2, nothing but 1, comma. So you look at the given table, given data, 1, comma 2. So y1, y2, y3 and y3. So -2, -1, 4, 1. -2, -1, 4 and 5. Now also they are given a joint probability. J11, J22 and J23. So value is 0.1. So given table, J12 and J21 is 0.1. J13 and J24 is 0. J14 is 0.1. Here in table. So given data. So this is J11, J22, then J23. Value is 1. Then J12 and J21 is 0.2. Then J13 and J24 is 0. J14 is 0.2. That values I am writing here using table, given table. Now random variable x plus y. This condition is strictly greater than 0. Now possible when x comma y takes the values. So values told x1 comma y1. So x1 is 1. So y3 is 4. y1 comma 4. This is greater than. So why I am not taking -2? Because if you take x1 y1, after adding this 1 minus 2 is -1. So this condition is not satisfied. That's why I am neglecting. Then x1 y2, that is also not possible because 1 minus 1 is 0. So this condition is not satisfied. That's why I am neglecting. Then x1 y3. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Anyway, this condition is satisfied. Similarly, x1 y4. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Now this condition is all are positive values, right? Then x2, next value, x2 y2. So x2 y1 is not satisfied because 0. Then x2 minus 1 is 1. So this is satisfied. Similarly, x2 y3. So 2 plus 4 is 6. This is satisfied. Then x2 y4. 2 plus 5 is 7. This is also satisfied. So ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ satisfied ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Hence, probability of x plus y is greater than 0 equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ satisfied ಆಗಲ್ಲ. This is nothing but J13 plus J14 plus J22 plus J23 plus J24. We have all the values. J13 here. J13 is 0 plus J14 is 0.3 plus J22 is 0.1 plus J23 also 0.1 plus J23 is 0. Nice. J23 is 0.1. J24 is 0. After adding these values, 0.5. Right? So this is the value. Thus, probability of x plus y is greater than 0 equal to 0.5. Which is the required solution of given example.